Hi everyone, welcome to our latest video where we are diving into the exciting world of the Fidget toys in 2024. I'm your host, Wow in Indian Toy, and today we are going to explore the emerging stars in this fascinating market.
First up is the quick push pop game It. This isn't your ordinary bubble popping toy. It's got electronics, sounds, lights, and offers a whopping 200 game levels. It's already a hit on Amazon, selling over 8K units last month, and with a wholesale price in China of around 1.x. It's not just popular, it's profitable. Now, for something a bit quirky, the dancing skull fidget toy. Imagine a skull that dances while holding its head. Its eyes light up, and it plays enchanting music. The best part? It's powered by a wind-up spring, no batteries needed. It's got great craftsmanship and is made through 3D printing. With its unique appeal, we see huge sales potential. Moving on to the 3D gravity knife carrot knife. Already a hot seller in China, this toy is making waves with its innovative designs. We are seeing different versions like butterfly knives and carrot guns. The Amazon market is just warming up, but our analysis shows promising potential. Don't miss the Dragon Panda Fidget toy. It's adorable, with eyes that pop when squeezed. A real stress buster. It's already popular in China and we think it's going to be a hit on Amazon too. To toy shop owners and Amazon sellers, you're going to want to check this out. Next, let's talk about the 3D snail toy caterpillar. It's not just cute, it's big, colorful, and bendable. There's a significant market opportunity here, as it's not widely available on Amazon yet. Contact us to get samples and test them out. Here's something for the tech enthusiasts. The keyboard fingertip button fidget toy. It combines keyboards with stress-relieving sounds and lights. And the best part? You can customize it with special symbols or letters. We're inviting all creative minds to share their font ideas with us. Last but not least, the 3D radish ball fingertip massage. It's a spinner, a massager, and a traditional Chinese wellness toy all rolled into one. It's practically unseen on Amazon, making it a fresh and exciting product to introduce.
In 2024, these Fidget toys are not just toys, they are innovations that respond to the market demands. Don't miss out on these potential hits. Contact to stay updated on the latest trends. Reach out via email or WhatsApp. Let's make toy magic happen together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates.